And back with another back. Hit the like and subscribe button over there. So today I'm going to Mall of Africa to look for not a home theater but a soundbar, of which is a home theater. Yeah. Probably looking for a Samsung, something that's gonna match my 70-inch TV. So yeah, if it's the same brand, so they work with one remote, you don't have to use like the two remotes simultaneously. So yeah, hoping for a Samsung, and I'm not looking for a very expensive one. I'm looking for the cheapest, best soundbar, if that makes sense. Cheap and best, or should I say best, cheapest soundbar.
What happened, my man? There's a pair of sneakers you want and your budget is tight. Forget the budget. Look after your emotions. Go buy that pair of shoes. It gives you positive energy because the world is...
I'll go through like a couple of stores in Mall of Africa. I know there's Incredible Connection, Hi-Fi Corporation, this Game, and a couple of few other competitors. So I'll just go to those couple and see what's what. So let's go look for the soundbar. Okay, we're out and about right now, going to Mall of Africa to check the listed stores and what soundbars they have, and yeah, compare from those and see the best one that I can get. So here we are at Mall of Africa. I don't know why they call it Mall of Africa, because there's so many malls bigger than this one in Africa, but anyway, the story for another day. Asibangene, like it's just two oval floors. That's about it. It's not that huge. I mean, it's not a big deal. Anyways, asikolapo. So yeah, here's Nortena kacheka mo parking mall, like it was super dry. Kandalina chelete or la kawateha. Oh, nelile mmereko. Oh, makes sense, yeah. Did go later nelile mode was giving tender vibes. So yeah, one of my range over. By the big fish are born. The escalator. So as I got up the escalators, the first store I saw was Samsung, which I was looking for a Samsung soundbar. I was like, okay, let me bangena. This one was going for 2.5 at Samsung, but online it was stated 2.9. Yeah, not bad. Then I went to Incredible Connection. They had a wide range of soundbars, but hardly Samsung. There was a few Samsung soundbars, of which I wasn't really impressed. Then I went to Game. They also had a spectrum of soundbars, but the one that I was looking for specifically was out of stock. Yo, I'd never buy these, yo. It's giving pension vibes, yo. Oh yeah, then they had another set of soundbars on the other side, ranging from like $8.99 all the way to 16,000. Yeah, I think the $8.99 one was a 2-channel JVC. Not sure about the watts. Then yeah, yo, they had quality soundbars, I won't lie, but the price was not pricing, even though Compella said go for what. Like, look at the TV, 99,000 rands. Yo, rather get a fourth-hand Polo. Fourth-hand Polo Vivo way. Then I was like, okay, let me go check Hi-Fi Corporation, my last store, just to see if I can get something better. So yeah, like I said, the mall is just oval and long. Then yeah, we finally arrived, and yeah, they also had their range of sound bars. Yeah, this is where I got the sound bar actually. Yeah, it's the Samsung B550, 400 watts. Yeah, it's very powerful. So they had it also on sale. So it was going for 3.3. Yeah, at Game it was going for 3,000. That's why it ran out of stock. So this is me paying. Wait. Oh, it approved. The black card I declined. I was about to get confused. So sad. Yeah, this is me getting out of the store with my soundbar. I really couldn't wait to get home and just connect it and, just listen to the bass and, the booming sound. So excited! On my way to the parking lot, ke kopana le She's Street, why don't I get a stand nyana, get a flower pot nyana, get something for the day. Quick relax. Carol Boyce ka mo She's Street. Ra inanga sitwe nna ke tsamaya le one le tla ntshwarela. The flowers that they had, they not flowers, but yeah, whatever they call them, plants, they were not giving. They were not giving. I used to see such at like my granny's backyard. I can't be doing the same. I don't know what these are, but yeah, they looked proper, but I didn't know where I'm gonna put them or how to use them. So until I get married, some things I'm just gonna refrain from looking at. You get it like to watch a Carol Boys, get the dimension. But I was like, nah, it's giving girl vibes. Then I purchased a couple of products there. So this is me leaving Mall of Africa. On my way to home, like I really couldn't wait to connect the sound. Come and decorate my apartment with me. Let's go. You see, guys, I can even show you the receipt and everything, guys. Like, it's not a prank, guys. I'm not like these other YouTubers. They're not a prank. I paid. It's not a prank. Here they are in my car, guys. Like, you can see they're in my car. It's not a prank, guys. Come on. This is us leaving Mall of Africa. Yeah, I can see it's in waterfall. Look at the aesthetics. Look at the buildings. Look at the infrastructure. The best we have in Africa. Yeah, doesn't even come close to what they have in Dubai. Yeah, can assure you that. You can see the cars in waterfall. Like, everything is just classy and giving. Like, man. Like, just look at everything. Like, just take a moment to breathe. Oxygen, the same oxygen with the rich people. Ooh. Como life in Bautzen no lwela, ungasilwele Klashwala manskara. Wait ke maka lebile re rajika mo robotong ke re cheban. Bajaji mo waterfall, bajaji. Nah, we tripping. I feel like as a country we're not supposed to let these in. Like, awa. Diwisa seriti sa rona. Yeah. Then I got home. The Precinct luxury apartments. Bona ke bula bjang? Bona. A ke khomi. Zero bacteria plus ke tlhapile ka Dettol 99.9%. Nyake di chile na. Bacteria way. So yeah, it's so good to be back home. Can't wait to plug it. At least taking all electricity. So my kiwa ka sa tlo utlwa ka nna ke letse na ibon pizza tsa ma security ha ona flop ke tla ipatela fine cause I'm fine. I'm fine, so I'm used to fines. Come on boy. So yeah, come with me now to go and connect it. So hopefully it's proper, because I checked the YouTube reviews and they were giving. I was comparing to the C450, of which it's a couple of watts lesser than this one. It's like 310 watts, and this one goes for 400 watts, and it's going for 410 watts, and it was going for 5.5, but it's on special now. It's on promo until the 1st of March. So I got it for 3.3. So hopefully it gives
the quality. Let's go open it on my 70-inch 4K Samsung TV.
Ta-da! Welcome home, welcome home. So yeah, my B550 came home. So yeah, and also one of the reasons I made sure I get Samsung is because I'll be able to use them both simultaneously using one remote. So I can use one remote. It comes with the remote, but because it's a Samsung 4K 70-inch, it comes with built-in features, so I can use it for connectivity. So yeah, let's do the unboxing. It's now time for the unboxing. Yeah, time for the unboxing. Unboxing. Unboxing time. And yeah, guys, I'm aware of this. I know it's demolishing the aesthetics. I'll fix it. Quite huge. Woohoo! Quite proper. Samsung, you guys can see. Samsung, yeah. Okay, let's put this over here. This over here. Oops. And how do you open this one? Let's see. I have to break this thing. Oh, sorry guys. I didn't know that you guys can't see. Sorry. Yeah, open it. Soundbar. So let's get rid of this. Okay, so here's the soundbar. I'm going to open it now. Ooh, quite proper. From Samsung, of course. Samsung, yeah, I just got nice curvy edges. Buttons on top. Let me do it this way. It has these features. Guys, my space. It has a couple of features: Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio, DTS, whatever. So yeah, it's not heavy. It's quite the right size. So I'm gonna have it here. Yeah, perfect. In the plastic, sorry for the lighting, so don't worry guys, I got it. But yeah, in the plastic you get a remote. You get a remote that comes with batteries. So they have batteries at least. You get you get a power supply for the woofer. You get a power supply for the sound bank, and there's another power supply. This power will be supplied. And then I'm guessing these are the HDMI cables. Usually they don't come with these, but I was fortunate enough to get a package that comes with these. I bought it at Hi-Fi Corporation. So usually when you want to do HDMI connection to your TV, you have to get your own HDMI cables depending on the brand that you're getting and where you're getting them from. Yeah, so I got HDMI cables too, and yeah, the plug is quite straightforward. It's straightforward, yeah. So yeah, let's connect and see. Yo, I don't know what that means, but yeah, I'll have to read the manual. But since you're on the manje. Sound Bluetooth mode we're looking for. Oh, there it is. Means pairing. Pair and connect. Woohoo! And I just used my TV remote. Like I didn't use the soundbar remote. Yo, this is potent, yo. It's on 24 even, kabang. The security guards are coming. It's too much. It's like chaos. Oh, and I got a Carl voice. Carl voice! Carl voice. Just gonna put it here. Like this. I got candles. Cozy, so we gotta be cozy. So therapeutic. So therapeutic. Anyway, back to business. So I bought a tray. You can see yourself over there. It's nice and clean. So I'm gonna put the curl. I don't know how it works. Should I put the curl boys on the tray, or I don't know. Just gonna put them like this, and I think it's nicer like this. Let me show you how it looks. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll give you a review in 1 month of how it's been treating me, and yeah, please do leave a like, subscribe, and commentation for me so that I can see what you think about this video, so I can keep making more or not. So till then, farewell.